A brand new trading week is preparing to kick off right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. And last week, we saw a lot more positivity enter the markets. It injected itself into the markets, and on Friday morning, the S&P 500 was up 2.5% on the week. On track for its longest winning streak since November 2021, the Dow Jones up 2.4% for the week, while the Nasdaq up 2.3% higher. Now for the Nasdaq, it also marks the fourth positive week in a row, and if you're wondering what exactly is causing the rise, the average is boosted by positive news on the inflation front, as the consumer price index was flat from June to July, thanks in large part to falling gas prices, which lowered headline inflation. The producer price increase also showed a surprise decline. And on Friday, import prices fell more than expected, and now it's time to look ahead. Will we continue to see the good times roll? Will there be more positivity, or will there be a little bit of a setback, a hiccup? Let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. And on Monday, we kick off in the nation of China with July Chinese retail sales figures. Expectations call for a read of 5%. Meanwhile, right here in the United States, we have the release of both 3-month and 6-month bill auctions. Tuesday kicks off in the United Kingdom with the 3M ILO unemployment rate due out. Expectations call for a read of 3.8%. In addition, economic sentiment is due out of the nation of Germany and the EU, while right here in the United States we have housing starts and building permits for the month of July. U.S. housing starts for July expected at 1.55 million month over month. Wednesday kicks off in New Zealand with the RBNZ interest rate decision, a rate that's currently sitting at 2.5%. Meanwhile, in the EU, second quarter preliminary GDP awaits, and expectations call for a read of 0.7% month over month and 4% year over year. While in the United States, we do have the FOMC minutes due out in the afternoon, but we also have the release of July retail sales figures. Retail sales figures out of the U.S. calling for a read of 0.1% month over month. Thursday kicks off in Australia with the July unemployment rate due out. Expectations call for a rate of 3.5%. While right here in the United States, we have both initial and continuing jobless claims. And then on Friday, it's all about July retail sales out of the United Kingdom, that of which is expected at negative 0.2% month over month and negative 3.3% year over year. And keep in mind, the U.S. earnings season is still active, still going on, and a lot of those updates have been moving the markets in both directions as of late. Keep an eye on those headlines, and until next week, live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICF.